Her name was Lola, she was a tabby. She was dumped inside a bin, what a horrific fucking sin. She was hit and grabbed by the neck before being chucked into that bin and being left for dead by that thing that they called Mary Bale, who said, "I cannot explain why I did this, I do apologise." What a very nasty bitch. Someone said she should get whipped, or more specifically flogged, to within an inch of her stupid fucked up life. Bet she's never been a wife. That poor cat was trapped for 15 hours, all because the stupid cunt thought it was a joke and would be fun. The RSPCA had a fucking fee all day with that one.